Hey everybody, so I went to 2 different Walmarts, picked up different items at both. I've been looking for some of these items for a while at several different stores, but please stick around, check out the video. It's going to be a quick one. Appreciate you guys watching. See you there. Alright, so both of these I got at Walmart. I don't know why it's open. Got these, which I've never used these before. I think I might have in the little baggies. They smell like citrus, like oranges. I can't find cleaning wipes anywhere. I did go to every Walmart from Santan to Mesa, and I couldn't find anything that would be usable for what I need. Casa Grande, for whatever reason, who knew? Had these Tubbo towels. It was the last one they had. I've seen these at Casa Grande before, but I never thought about it. But I used to use little hand wipe towels. It came in like a package of like 20 or whatever, about this big. About 8 inches long and 3-something inches wide. Just I leave in the truck. I'm a mechanic, so I'm always greasy. Kind of wipe my hands off and then wipe the steering wheel off. These are 100% solution soaked, durable fiber weave, extra large, 10 by 12 size, industrial strength formula. Let me know down below if you guys have used any of these. One heavy duty cleaning wipe, thousands of uses. This for automotive says removes grease and oil and tar, brake dust and grime, food and drink stains, bug and bird messes, scuff marks. Use on automotive interior and exterior. RVs, ATVs, boats, fabric and carpet, leather, vinyl, and metal. Home section says removes permanent marker, food and drink stains, lipstick and nail polish, gum and kid graffiti, inks and glue, pet messes, chalk and dust and wax. Use on lawn and garden equipment, outdoor grills and furniture, bathroom soap scum, sport equipment, wall and floors, carpet and tile, countertops and appliances. On the projects, removes paints, caulks, silicones, expanding foam, duct tape, epoxies, adhesive and decals. Use on hands, paint brushes, rollers and pans, walls and floors, tools, door frames, and cabinets. Great on hands contains lanolin, aloe vera, and vitamin E, and it smells like freshly squeezed oranges. Yeah, that's exactly what it feels like. It smells like. It smells like you cut an orange open and you squeezed it. But that's what they are right there. I'll probably add a little bit of water to the container to allow them to soak up. This must not have sealed when I opened it to check it out. Now it's sealed. Let me know if you guys have ever used this. I've never used this specific container. These, you guys have seen these on the channel before. It's nothing new. You've seen them a few times before. I'm looking for a 4-way manifold for the hose faucet outside, and nobody has them. I was told by Lowe's that they've been out, haven't gotten stock for the last 4 months. Home Depot in Casa Grande didn't have any. I did see one at the Home Depot in Santan, but I didn't want to go that direction today. But I did pick up a few of these extra because I want to put these quick connects on all of the 4-way, or if I find a 6-way faucet hose manifold. What I'm thinking is I'm going to put these on all of them, and then we could just hook these to the hose, or the PVC pipe, for the sprinklers or our dripper system or anything like that, and just quick attach them. They had a crap ton in Coolidge, which I never ever go to Coolidge store because they never have anything. A lot of these didn't have tags on them. It's like people are stealing them left and right, because I see these in the Expert Garter metal male quick connects. I see these cut all the time. I went to 5 different stores in the last couple days. Gilbert Walmart, Rittenhouse Walmart, Santan Walmart, Coolidge Walmart, and Casa Grande Walmart. And I'm looking for these, and I see all of these cut, like 40 or 50 of them at each store. They're just cut and thrown in the box. People are actually stealing these, which is stupid. You know, they're $4.99. I understand they're not cheap, but come on, dude. I got probably $50 worth of them here because I'm honest. Even though 4 of these did not come with their tags anymore, I still scanned, you know, and made sure that I paid for them. And I picked up 3 of these without the other side, which is the metal male quick connect. I picked up 3 of these, which connect to the hose. These guys right here, these 3. And then I picked up 1, 2, 3. Only 3 of them had the tags. See the tags, which are male quick connect set. It's a set, so it basically comes with the bottom piece as well as one of these. But 4 of them didn't have tags. They do have both, but they didn't have tags. You know, it's really sad when certain people are not honest. Cut these tags off. You know, and I was just wanting these to put on, you know, a manifold set that I hopefully I can find one. If anybody knows where you can get a good one, I'd appreciate if you guys let me know. So I picked up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I picked up 3 of them the other day. I found the other day. But, yep, these 3 right here. Like this one didn't have a tag on it at all. And somebody stole this. They cut the tag off and only took this piece for this one. So I ended up paying the $4.98 for this, and it didn't come with one of these. So good thing is that I picked up 3 of these, so now one of these can be paired with this guy. You know, and I don't have this many hoses, but you know, when you can't find something, you grab as many as you possibly can to get, you know, whatever you need done. So if I find a 6 hose outlet manifold, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then here's 4 for 4 manifold. I can put 1 in the backyard, 1 in the front yard. I have 2 more of these somewhere, so you know, I have enough for 2 6 manifolds, 2 6 outlet manifolds. But you know, when you can't find them, you don't want to have to run back to the store for one of these stupid little things. And especially if these are also good for putting on tools, you know, sprayers and you know, hose nozzles, stuff like that. But you know, again, if you guys have ever used these Tubbo towels, let me know what you guys think of them. I'm gonna give them a try. I might have had these in a package. Can't find the package anymore, but I just filled the package up with a little water and rehydrated them, and I ran out of those wipes. But you know, these are all the things I picked up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think I just took these 2 out of the cabinet. But I do appreciate your guys' time. You know, not a huge haul, just, you know, I think this was $50 something and this was $11. You know, but when you need something, you don't want to keep running around. I went to I think 10 stores total in the last 2 weeks looking for these things. You know, and of course, Coolidge had what I needed. You know, the store I never go to because they never have anything. But appreciate you guys watching and stopping by. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, as well as my DJI Electronics affiliate links. Hopefully I'll see you guys on the next video, as long as this wasn't boring. And appreciate you guys' time. Again, go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, as well as my DJI Electronic affiliate links. And hopefully you guys have a great rest of your day. Thank you for watching. Peace!